Hello, friends. Thank you very much for joining in. Hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves through a lot of training and development. And I also help FRM and CFA students to clear the exam in the first attempt. And in this video, I'm going to share the journey and of one of my students, Janil. Okay, and in which how he has been able to clear the exam with around 1.5 month of proper preparation, and what are the challenges that he faced, and why he was not even able to focus before 1.5 month of the exam, and what are the results that he has got out of it. So first of all, Janil, thank you very much for joining in and putting your time and sharing your
Yeah, so
journey to the community and helping them understand and grow. But before we start the entire discussion on FRM, please give me an idea and the audience that when you started your FRM, okay, what were you doing before that?
so I was basically in the third semester of mechanical engineering,
Mhm.
and I had explored finance on CFA Institute. I did investment foundation course.
Okay.
So now I was like deeply in. Then I started doing stock market and watching
Hmm.
videos and all,
Right.
and my interest leaned towards finance.
Okay.
So I wanted to do CFA, but I was not eligible as
Right.
the criteria is to be in the last year of bachelor's. So
Right.
I decided to do FRM. And then I saw 4 classes online. And then on Quora, I found many reviews regarding you. So
Okay.
I called you and then started your classes.
Perfect. Perfect. So now, so when you were when you picked up the book, for example, you decided, okay, I'll go for the FRM, and then you started looking at the books. There were 4 books, right? So was there any particular thought with respect to, okay, now I'm starting the preparation? Any particular book that you felt that it might be difficult for you or might be easy for you?
Y-
Anything?
Yeah, the stats part would be easy for me, the book two, because
Hmm.
about 70 to 80% I have done it before.
Right.
And book four was very difficult for me.
Okay.
Quite difficult. Like everything was new,
So,
completely new.
so book two
Book
primarily because
one was
you,
also new.
sorry, book two
Yeah, I am
primarily
from
because
engineering
you,
background. That's why.
yes. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. And book 4 was main problem that you felt, that you said you thought
Yeah,
that you might not be able to pick up that
every
book.
concept was new and it was tedious very much to understand, grasp the concept, and solve.
Okay. Now, so you went for the July 2021 exam. The results are out. When did you start
Yeah,
your preparation? In the sense, when did you decide and join the class, and how did that happen? Which month primarily?
December.
December. So after December, how was your preparation method? In the sense, how many hours you were dedicated on a daily basis?
Like you used to take class every Saturday Sunday for
Hmm.
6 to 7 hours each day. So I wasn't able to do that at a stretch. And Saturday I have college.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
instead, I used to watch the recordings by dividing everything every day, like 2 hours every day. So I used
Okay.
to watch the
Okay.
recordings and just read it once thoroughly.
So
That's it.
my
I
video
didn't
recording,
practice at the start.
and Swagger book, right? I'm just
Yeah, Shweza book
Swagger book, right?
from
Okay, perfect,
reading from that.
perfect. And when you were reading the content, okay, so till how when you were able to read the complete content, that means complete once the entire book,
By mid June.
mid June. See, this is where, because normally if you start early, okay, so you should be able to complete early. But I think so there was some you're not able to pick up because there were a lot of college
Yeah, in
exams of yours, right?
yeah, in April I had internals, and May end and June first week I had finals and sems. So
Right.
in 1.5 month, I barely did anything.
So before this April start, when before your internal started, how many percentage would you say you would have completed in terms of preparation?
About 70,
So
roughly.
before April, 70% was done.
Just reading it once.
Reading it once, right?
No practice. Yeah,
No
reading it
practice,
once.
no questions. Okay. And then
No questions. Only
after
the ones which were at the end of the each chapter
chapter,
in Shweza, like about 7 to 8.
right.
The
No
easy
additional
ones.
questions
They were
till
really
then,
easy.
but no additional
Yeah.
questions till then. Yes. Okay. And
No, no.
so from April onwards till June first week, you
Hmm.
were not able to pick up FRM books properly, right?
No.
Okay, okay. Now, after that, after your got completed, what was your strategy? That means you picked up. which book first, and how were you preparing each book?
I did whatever was remaining, like 2, 3 were remaining from book one, then 2, 3 were remaining from book two. Half of book four was left. Book three was completed, I guess,
Okay.
till
Okay.
then.
And then did you start solving question bank?
No.
Okay. Then when did you, so what were you doing after your exam? How did you start? That means on an
Yeah.
average, how
So
many
first
days?
I finished the entire portion once, reading it
Okay.
once. So I
Okay.
was clear with the concept.
Okay.
Then from my date was for exam was 20th July.
Hmm.
So from 21st June onwards, I prepared a timetable proper, which I followed. I used to study like 6 to 8 hours a day, at least minimum.
Okay.
And there are 60 chapters. So I used to do 3 chapters per day, read it entirely, and then solve about 15 to 20 questions per chapter. So
Okay.
like that, I finished till 10th of July. Like 20, make an average of 15 questions per chapter and 60 chapters. So that is 900 questions.
Okay.
So I solved that till 10th July. And then third reading I did from 11 to 17th. I made a timetable for that too.
Okay.
And then I did one mock from GAR, which was nothing like the actual exam, like nothing like, not even close to
Yes.
it.
Yes, yes. This time the mock paper, the actual exams and the GARP sample paper was very different. Primarily because this exam was theoretical driven, heavily driven. And a lot of people were expecting
Yeah.
it to be quant.
And the questions are very tricky and lengthy. Like I have to do it twice or thrice to get it. Even the options were like, you can at least not eliminate at all. Like ऐसा लगता है all four are the answer, like that in a few questions.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So when you were preparing, like you said, you were preparing for six hours in the last 1 month. Now, and you solving like 10 questions every chapter. Was there a doubt in your mind that, okay, this is not a proper preparation, or
Yeah, obviously, but
okay.
that is just my mentality. Like, what do I do usually? That before the exam, I cannot study until I get the pressure to study.
Okay.
It is my personal thing.
Okay.
So that's why, as the exam was nearing, I was getting more tensed, and then I started studying, like at a stretch. But I could dedicate like a lot of time in the last 1 month. Basically, for the first 5 months, I was just grasping the concept through your video lectures. And then in the last month, I studied properly.
Okay. So primarily around
the
1 month
thing.
from 20th or 15th of June to 15th or 20th of July. That's
21st of June.
21st of June.
On the previous weekend, I was Pune.
Okay. So almost basically 1 month proper preparation and
proper 1 month.
Solving of question bank, but not entirely question bank. You were able to clear the exam.
Random questions.
Random question. And you were using my question bank, was it? Or
yeah, your question bank. Like I didn't use to solve the full question bank. Like if a chapter had 40 questions in a question bank, then I used to solve random 15 and then see how much I scored out of that.
Okay. That's a very good strategy.
Time
actually.
wasn't constrained.
Yes, if suppose somebody is not having a full-fledged time, then how can he leverage or how can he utilize that method? That is a very good approach primarily. So, but I generally tell people that obviously you have to start early and complete everything.
Yes.
Don't take that stress, but take it. It worked for you. That's
it
wonderful.
worked for me.
Now, any time during the preparation, did you feel that, okay, I'm still in college and this exam is slightly very different? Any time that you
to be honest, I'm more interested in finance than engineering right now. So It is interesting. Engineering isn't.
Okay.
Like I like to do this.
Okay.
It is like
Perfect.
that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So it was different, definitely different because I was new to finance.
And I think so that is the reason you were able to set 6-7 hours in that 1 month wala period. Yes. Perfect. Now, on the day of the exam. Okay. So before that exam date, you were primarily said that you were able to solve only one mock paper, and you were only revising
one mock paper
properly. Now, so if I summarize your preparation before that, it basically means two readings primarily of the book, textbook. One is the proper reading, and the second is just reading on the go, and then
solving
around 900 questions, not more than that.
Yeah.
Right.
Roughly.
Now, on the day of the exam, what happened?
Like nothing. I woke up. It was afternoon. I woke up, had lunch, and then left. And there, I was the youngest of all. Like people of 30 or 40 years were giving exams.
Okay.
No one was of there of my age.
Okay.
I just went there and wasn't panicking at all. Like I had given JEE, CET, and all entrance for college for bachelor's.
Yes.
So it was normal. Just the thing was that I didn't want to fail the exam, not because I don't want to give it again, but the exam is costly, very expensive.
Yes. Yes.
So I don't want to spend that much again. I wanted to clear in the first attempt.
Got
I
it.
just gave the exam. I finished about half an hour early because it was heavy theory based. Half an hour early I finished.
And you were able to see the entire 100 question in that 3.5
Yeah,
hours.
I finished half an hour early. I'm telling you now.
But 3.5 hours, you were able to see the questions properly. I mean, read every question twice or thrice properly.
But about 20-30, I wasn't able to solve at all. Right, I took a rough guess. Might be right, might not be.
And the rest 70, you were able to solve properly, is it?
No, I was confident about in 40-50, I was confident. And in 20, like eliminating, like there are 4 options, then I eliminate 2. Then out of 2, there are 50% chance I can have this right.
Okay. And the rest 30 that you said, okay, I ticked.
They were like, very, very tricky, lengthy and difficult.
So was there a period of panic between that 4 hours?
No.
You were very cool on that.
Not at all. I didn't panic. I just, if I wasn't able to solve, I read it once again, thought what will be the answer, then took a rough guess, and then next. I didn't want to waste any time.
So when you completed the entire 100 chapter, did you start again and went to the entire again?
No. I submitted.
Oh, okay.
I didn't start again. I would panic if I would start again. That's why I just submitted. I just saw that I've attempted all 100, then I submitted. I didn't read again. All.
Okay. Wonderful. So, I mean, and when you came back, okay, so what was your understanding that, okay, out of 100, how much I would have done right? Any rough guess that you had after the exam?
After the exam, I was able to see the result.
Right. So, sorry, I forgot to ask that. What was the score? Yes, what was the score?
50. Okay, exact 50.
No, I obviously we had a discussion before, so I know the score and all. But when you saw that score, okay, and you said, okay, other people are getting that, and when obviously you met other students also, you had word student. What was that feeling that 50, about 50? What you
like
thought will clear?
I thought that I wouldn't clear. Like there were what 10 to 90 chance that I will pass. Literally. Because even in May exams, I saw the scores of people on Reddit. The minimum score that people passed with was 53. That was a minimum. Like whoever had commented on that.
Right.
So I thought 50 mein to ho gaya.
But you were lucky. You were lucky on that front.
I was lucky. I barely passed, but I passed.
Yes, that is important.
I was on proper borderline. Ki fail हुआ तो just fail होऊंगा and pass हुआ तो barely pass होऊंगा. Like extreme regret या extreme happiness. ऐसा scenario था तब.
Okay. Extreme regret or extreme happiness. Perfect. And now, so if I'm not wrong, so we were discussing about starting the preparation again because we thought that the score is slightly less, and we were thinking of starting.
Slightly, it was very less as compared to previous years passing.
Yes. So primarily, we thought that we will start again the preparation for the next November exam. Now, when the result came out and you cleared the exam, so what happened primarily? What was the reaction? Did you inform your
friends? I was elated. Like I literally jumped. I was not expecting at all. Like the result came out around 9:30 a.m. And I saw the message around 12. So I was like, dhakka ho raha ekdam. And then I opened the site, logged in, and then आया FRM part 1. And then उसके नीचे take the next step towards certification. So I thought गया re-register करो exam के लिए.
Okay.
Then view full details पे गया. Exam result pass. I was so excited then. I just jumped out of the bed.
Wonderful.
And then inform mom.
Now,
Yeah.
after the result and all, you cleared the exam. So do you find that, okay, your friends are also recognizing it, or people around you recognize that, okay, you have cleared an exam? That is
Hmm.
as a symbol that you had doing something. It's not like
Yeah.
you're not working towards your goal primarily, right? So wonderful. I mean, this entire discussion, I'm really sure that the
Yeah.
entire
But students study like that. It was just my luck.
no, I agree. But see, I'm taking it in this way that somebody who might not have time. Okay, right now also a lot of students are going for November exam. We are standing in September end, around September end. Now, in such a time, if somebody wants to look at someone that, okay, whether he has been able to clear the exam, you can be an example. Okay, if you're not prepared
Hmm.
and still you want to give your best shot, this is also possible. It's not, obviously it is better that you start early. You start,
Early.
complete everything, because I know a lot of people have completed around 2 months back, 3 months back before the exam date. Things they started solving, they started discussing. So obviously, it doesn't mean that you will not clear if you are very late. But only thing is consistent preparation,
Hmm.
and also you had time. So you had time. You're putting that 6-7 hours, which is required. So I think so that actually worked, and also your experience of uh, giving a competitive exam, that made a
Yeah.
big difference, because on the day, like you said, you did not panic. So because a lot of people, they panic and they miss out on that question which they could
I
have scored.
panicked after I was able to see the score, not during the exam.
Okay, okay.
After I saw 50, I was like, oh yeah, khatam.
In fact, I would tell you
I have
that
to
a lot of
repeat.
my students who have cleared now, because they got a 56, 57, but they were also not very sure. Somebody who was above 60, primarily he was more confident, but around 56, 57, things were slightly tricky for them, and it worked out primarily. I think so. 50 is what I've heard as the lowest score where people have cleared. So it's a good sign that if the paper is slightly tough, then it is going to be tough for everybody. So I mean, don't get
Hmm.
disheartened by looking at your score and say that nothing is happening. So and thank you very much, Gerald, that sharing this discussion and your
Yeah, yeah,
journey. That
sir. No problem.
1.5 month
My
of
pleasure.
preparation is definitely going to motivate people. Definitely going to motivate people. Obviously, not to do that in a literal sense, but
Yeah, yeah. I had
to
ample time in June, na.
yes, you had ample time, and that is what people who are in the college, they can leverage, which a lot of working professionals don't get time to do. So and because this time also in July, I've seen a lot of college students clearing the exam in their first year and second year of their college. So this is going to help a lot of new students who are planning to go for FRM. So thank you very much, Gerald.
Yeah,
Thank you
because
very much. Yeah.
if I
Hmm.
finish both the levels along with college, I will get good placement from the college itself.
Right. And
Like, yeah, my college gives great placement. The average package in my college is 9.1 lakh in
perfect.
2021 batch.
Perfect, wonderful. And in fact, see, apart from your college, you would not be doing anything in the next two years.
Yeah,
It is better that you
in the
utilize that
college.
and do
Yeah, I
something
can
else.
utilize the lockdown.
You could have utilized. Anyways, with your work, you're studying from home, you're attending sessions from home. And one more thing, which
Yeah.
I missed asking you. Now, if somebody comes to you and asks you three things on how to clear the FRM level one exam, what would be that three thing?
First is that we have to be very clear of the concept because रट्टा मारोगे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं, nothing.
Hmm.
20-30 आएंगे hardly रट्टा मार के. Then now we have to focus more on theory. Second thing is theory based than numericals. Because first it was like 55-45, no, numerical 55, theory 45.
Right.
Now we can just focus on theory, understanding the concept, and that we can take numericals lightly if we want to. Like we shouldn't, but we can.
Okay.
And the third thing is that we have to invest time in this, like proper time.
Definitely. I mean, obviously, if
Like
you start early, then it is going to help. It is going to be helpful, but you have to
like
put it.
online it is written average 300 hours preparation is enough.
Yes.
But it is 300 में तो खाली reading होगा एक बार. आपके lectures ही 150 hours के होंगे, उसमें 150 घंटा निकल गया.
Right.
Not enough 300 hours.
Right.
If I invested 6 hours per day in last 30 days. उसमें 180 हो गया.
Right. I totally agree. So definitely it is, see, primarily it also depends upon the person. See, the way you were able to
Yeah,
prepare, I think so nobody
and your
else would be
background.
able to prepare. Nobody else would be able to prepare in that 1 month sitting exhaustively. Even if you have time, you might not be able to sit. That is also one point,
Yeah,
right?
it piqued my interest now. That's why I was able to study.
Right,
And the
right.
third book was very interesting. I loved it. Completely based
FMP.
on markets.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. FMP. Yes. Perfect, perfect. Wonderful. Thank you, Janil. Thank you for your time and
Yeah,
sharing
my
your
pleasure,
journey
sir.
to the audience, to the community. And I hope this video will help the students who are going to be going for the next exam, the next November exam, in their preparation. Thank you very much, Janil.
Yeah.